In today's digital world, having a mobile app for your Wix website can make a significant impact. It enhances engagement, boosts visibility, and provides users with a better experience. Let's dive into the tools and platforms available for converting your Wix site into a mobile app. There are several user-friendly app builders that seamlessly integrate with Wix. Step 1 is to analyze your existing Wix website. Identify the key features you want to include in your app to enhance user experience. For step 2, you need to choose the right mobile app builder that integrates smoothly with Wix. Each builder has its unique advantages. In step 3, create an account and set up your app project within the chosen builder. Follow the prompts to get started. Next, in step 4, it's time to customize your app's design. Ensure it aligns with your Wix website branding for consistency. In step 5, add essential functionalities like push notifications, user login, and e-commerce features to enhance user interaction. Moving on to step 6, thoroughly test your mobile app for performance and usability. Ensure everything works flawlessly before the big launch. Finally, in step 7, publish your app on both the App Store and Google Play Store. This process makes your app accessible to every user. As a final tip, promote your new mobile app using various marketing strategies to maximize user downloads and engagement.